Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing again today. I am going to do the reading for the week of 28th of June till the 4th of July. The new month is going to start this week. So the 4th of July will be Sunday, 28th June will be the Monday. So let's go ahead and start the reading for this week. And like I always say, please do like and subscribe to my channel, the YouTube channel. And I am on Facebook and Instagram, so you can go ahead and like my page, go and visit the page. There are a lot of videos and there are a lot of products that I sell, also like crystals and things that you can use in your rituals and everything is on my page. So you can just go and have a look and message me if you need anything. So let's start with the first sign, and that is the Aries. Like we always do, 3 signs for Aries. For the Aries people, this week is going to be a little emotionally down kind of a thing. You are going to get some kind of news or some kind of message that is going to be little not good for your relationship. You would walk away from some of the relationship that is not meant for you, of course, and there might be some emotional setback that you might have. Also, the card is guiding me to this week you need to do some kind of donation, or you can donate some food to the needy or someone that will help you this week. Where your financial condition is concerned, this week is going to be the week where you're going to save more of your money. There is not much of spending. The thought of saving the money, you can say, is going to come this week for you guys. So there are major financial cards somewhere, but somewhere there is also some kind of emotional setback or some kind of setback in your relationship with anyone near and dear ones is going to cause you some kind of pain. But otherwise, health-wise, it looks fine. Financially, you just have to be a little careful. It looks fine because this week, financially, there is no growth. But yes, you're going to be very, very careful in spending your money. So you can say you're going to save some money this week. So let's go ahead and do Taurus. Pick 3 cards for sign Taurus. For the people, the Taurus people, it's going to be emotional kind of up and down. So sometimes you're going to be happy, sometimes you're going to be sad, sometimes you're going to have good news, sometimes the news that don't make you that kind of happy. I do see a traveling, okay, but the traveling that I see coming this week is not because of a get together or some kind of a happy moment. There might be some issues or some health issues or some kind of problem with your near and dear ones or someone that for that reason you might be traveling. Your mother's health needs to be little careful this week. Also, where your financial condition is concerned, I see that whatever you will work hard this week, you will get the result out of it. It's nothing like you're going to get lucky and get a lot of money without working hard, you can say. So the card says you work hard and that much you will get it, nothing more or nothing less. Let's go ahead and do Gemini now. 3 cards for Gemini. For the people this week, Gemini people, I have got all the major arcanas, but and I see a lot of good things coming this week in your life. For the people under the sign Gemini, I see that where your finance is concerned, where your health is concerned, where your relationship are concerned, it's going to be a super week for you. But because of what you're going to get and what you're going to enjoy this week, there are chances that you might be facing some jealousy, some negativity from the people around you who are not your well-wishers. So you just have to be careful about that negativity coming your way. There are a lot of people who are also going to come and judge you or come and say things that is not needed. some things that is some so much good things happening to you. So they might think whatever is happening is not the right thing. Some might think whatever you are doing is not the right thing. So just let go of that kind of judgment coming from people. Just be very careful about the negativity and the jealousy, that energy coming from the people around you. But I will surely tell you, this week is going to be superb for you, and you're going to enjoy this week in all aspect of life. Now we'll go ahead and do Cancer. Quick 3 cards for Cancer. For the people born under the sign of Cancer, this week is going to be a progressive week. I will say, yes, I do see a progress coming. You are going to move ahead where your career is concerned, where your life is concerned overall. But emotionally, where your health is concerned, you have to be a little careful, where the depression or overthinking, something related to tension, worry, stress is going to affect you this week. There will be some person, the older person, who is going to be there for you, or they will visit you, or they will be of some help to you this week. So take their guidance and move ahead this week. So if you see, it's a mixed week for you. There is a ahead moment for you, but there is also health-wise, emotionally, depression or some kind of anxiety, stress coming to you this week. So just be very careful. But if you are in that kind of situation, do not worry, because there will be some elder person, your mom or your dad or your uncle, auntie, grandfather, grandmother, who are there for you to support you, and whose advice and whose strength will give you support this week. So let's go ahead and do Leo now. Quick 3 cards for Leo. For the Leo card, I see celebration coming. You're going to meet more people. You're going to meet your friends. You're going to meet your family, and there will be celebration. There will be happiness coming to you this week. I also see, there will be a sudden gain of maybe a finance, or whatever opportunity you have been waiting for is going to come to you this week. So maybe a new career, or maybe a new relationship, all aspects of life, you can say. The luck and the universe is going to support you this week. There is also a forward moment. There is also I see that a growth that is coming to you this week. So overall, the week looks good for Leo people. Let's go ahead and do 3 cards for Virgo. Quick 3 cards for Virgo. For the Virgo people, this week is going to be very good. I see overall, accomplishment, you can say, where relationship, health, finance, work, career, anything you say is going to be given to you this week. The world, the universe is going to support to you. But again, for the Virgo people, just be very, very careful with the people you are surrounded. If they are jealous of you, or the people who are negative towards you, they might not be happy for you. They might not be able to see your progress. They might not be able to see your happiness. So it might affect you somewhere. Also, I have got a relationship card for Virgo people. So I see a little bit of ahead movement where your relationship are concerned. So if there is something that is stuck, or you see that your relationship is not moving ahead with anyone, I do see a forward movement coming towards it's going forward, you can say, going towards a positive. But only one thing that you have to be careful, Virgo people, is from the negative people or the jealous people that you are surrounded with. Cool. Now we'll go ahead and do Libra. Quick 3 cards for Libra. For the Librans, I do see most of the Pentacle cards. So this week is mostly about finance. There is a growth in the finance that is coming. I do see a growth. I see an increase in the financial. So if I see the health and relationship and career, everything looks fine, because most of this week is going to you're going to target more where the money is concerned. So you will see maybe a raise in your money, or maybe you'll be investing money in a good deed, or maybe you will be getting a raise, or maybe you might see some kind of interest coming, or some kind of money that is growing in your account. But there is also one guidance given by the card, is to go ahead and donate something to your loved ones, not loved ones, sorry, donate something to the needy person, not the loved ones, of course. But yes, a loved one, if they need your help, then that will also help them a lot. But yes, it is needed to help someone who is in need this week. So go ahead and do that, because that will give you a positive result. Now we'll go ahead and do Scorpio. Three cards for Scorpio. For the Scorpio people, this week is going to be little emotional kind of thing. You are going to be in a lot of tension. You can say the thoughts, the thoughts, and they are going to affect you, and you're going to be really moody this week. So don't make any hasty decisions, or don't make any quick decisions, without thinking this week. Also, there are chances where your health are concerned. I do see something related to your legs coming. Maybe you'll hurt your legs, or there might be pain in your legs that might be affecting you this week. Also, there is relationship wise, I do see a relationship getting better this week for you guys. So there's nothing to worry about. Yes, where your health is concerned, I would worry about the legs. If the legs are hurting, or if there's a pain in the leg, you might hurt the leg, you might fall down. So just be very careful about that thing. And yes, your emotional stage is going to be a lot of up and downs, and mostly on the lower side. So just try to be cheerful, and try to be happy. Now we'll go ahead and do 3 cards for Sagittarius. Quick 3 cards for Sagittarius. Let's do quick 3 cards for Sagittarius. For the Sagittarius people, there is going to be a family get together, where I do see, you're going to meet your grandparents, or maybe your uncle, aunts, and mostly old generations, like the joint family, or the whole family coming together, and it's going to be fun for you. Of course, you have to be very, very careful of people who are going to cause you fights, quarrels, and initiate the fight, you can say, initiate the quarrel, and bring that kind of atmosphere around you that will cause you some kind of stress or trouble. There is also a little negativity that you have to be worried about, but it is not that much that your happiness and all your get together or your progress is going to affect in any way. You just have to be a little protective and be careful. And there is a little bit of growth showing, so whatever you are expecting this week, it will show you a growth. So that's it for Sagittarius. We'll go ahead and do Capricorn. 3 cards for Capricorn now. Quick 3 cards for Capricorn. 3 cards for Capricorn. Okay, for the Capricorn people, I do see you have to be careful this week from the people who will backstab you, or people who are very good on your face and then will go and do something else behind your back. The people whom you cannot trust, because they are going to somewhere cause you some kind of you can say some kind of sorrow or some kind of harm. So you just have to be a little careful. But the other card is really, really good. So in every way this week is you are going to be lucky. You will get you will see the progress in every field and every aspect, like the relationship, career, work, job, everything. And Also, there is a growth and there is a support that will be given to you this week, so you don't have to worry about. It's just that you have to be a little careful of the people around whom you trust blindly. So don't trust them blindly, because there might be something or some instant this week that will cause you, these people might cause you some kind of problem. So we'll go ahead into Aquarius now. 3 cards for Aquarius. Okay, so for the Aquarius people, I do see some kind of travel coming. There are chances that you might travel to a short, maybe a trip or a holiday or something coming your way. There is a celebration coming. You might actually maybe, you know, get new things, a gift, or maybe you'll buy some new car or new house or whatever you are planning to buy till now. But definitely you are going to celebrate with something new coming in your life. There is also whatever growth, whatever things that you have been waiting for, like, you know, something like you have done before, and the result you can say that you're waiting for, it is still to come. There is a little bit of wait, so you will have to wait. But I do definitely see traveling coming your way, maybe a short travel, but yes, you are going to travel this week. Overall, it's a happy week for you. Now the last sign that I'm going to do is Pisces. So 3 cards for Pisces. Quick 3 cards for Pisces. For the Pisces people, again for the Pisces people, I do see a travel coming for Pisces people. So people under the sign Pisces are also going to travel, maybe a short distance travel, but I do see a travel to meet someone, to meet your family, maybe meet you know, people related to you, maybe friends, family, anyone. Also, there is a lot of saving that you're going to do this week. So whatever like the money or the finance that you're going to get or you have earned, this is the week where you will invest into something good. Be very, very careful with the people who judge you. You know, their judgment towards you might make you feel a little bit down and low in energy. Please don't let that affect you in any way. Plus, overall, if I see, there is a growth, there is a movement ahead in you know, happening in this week. So overall, if you see, you will see good things happening to you in this week. So overall, a good week for Pisces. So that's it for this week. We are finished with the card reading, and like I always tell you, please do like my Facebook as well as Instagram page, and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Doing that will encourage me in doing more videos, like I always say. So that's it for now. Next week I'll come with another video, but in the meantime there will be another video coming in this week, the week that is the 28th June till the 4th of July. So there will be some video, another video coming in this week, and I will see you then. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed, and love you all. Bye bye.